I'm really looking a little more in depth about how music, or what music teaches us, and how we can learn from those messages. There really isn't much of a definition to punk. Fast, loud, and hard music, so a lot of screaming, a lot of yelling, mohawks, leather jackets. There are some pretty significant gaps in the history of punk music,
Eric Hunting,
in the literature on punk music. Like, well, this is a really cool topic that I want to explore more. I'm cautioning against having a blanket, this is all of Latinx punk. They're talking about things that don't generally get talked about in what we would assume mainstream music is. Harm to immigrant communities in the US. They're talking about workers' rights. They're talking about, political violence in their respective home countries, or even here in the United States. In Latinx punk music, there are pieces of their lyrical content, or just by simply existing in all white spaces, that make this stand out. When we look at this like an educational space, we have to expand, one, how we see education, and two, how we see a non-traditional classroom environment. They bring up community a lot, and they talk about punk. Punk equals community for me. It helps me get through the week. It provides support and aid when I need it. This is where I learned how to get registered to vote. Here is where I learned the importance of being civically engaged in our electoral process. Punk is a form of political education for a lot of folks. Music is music, of course, but it is also a deeply contextualized form of art where we can take a step back and really closely examine and perhaps, expand our own understanding of the world.